What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be letting LABUBUs decide what I wear. This is basically going to be an outfit inspired by a LABUBU doll. By now we all know what LABUBUs are. They've been creeping on my For You page on TikTok for like 2 months. When I first saw them I thought they were the ugliest thing ever. It's something about the weird toothy smile. It really crept me out and it made me stay away from LABUBUs altogether. But I recently saw a video of them on TikTok and I was like, why are they kind of cute though? The face combined with the fluffy fur kind of made it like ugly cute. It's so ugly that it's kind of cute. It tricked my brain into liking them somehow. Now we're gonna be letting LABUBUs choose my outfit today. If you don't know what LABUBUs are or you've been living under a rock, LABUBUs are LABUBUs are collectible toy figures that come in blind bagged, and there's a bunch of different ones you can collect. But I found this really cute one that is like a cotton candy color from this one collection of LABUBU blind bags. This collection is called Big Into Energy, and it basically just features a bunch of different LABUBUs based off of emotion, and the one that we're going to be doing a look based on is the luck one. It's so cute. Guys, in the first step of letting this LABUBU doll choose my outfit, I have to pick out a shirt. So I have this really cute adorable tank top. I just feel like this really embodies like LABUBU, like it's so cute. This is the first item that I'm going to be putting on. Here's the shirt on, looking really cute. And next up is the pants, and for the pants I have some really cute shorts. Here are the shorts. I really like how the bottom is ruffly, and the back, I'm literally just a sucker for rhinestones on the back of pants, so these are the shorts. Here is the shirt with these shorts. I think this looks so cute, guys. This outfit is eating and we're not even done yet. So guys, LABUBUs are very fluffy and have a lot of fur, so I have the perfect accessory for this fluffy jacket. Look at it, and I think this would really add a lot to this LABUBU inspired outfit. So now guys, we're gonna move on to accessories. Look at this jacket, by the way. I literally look like a princess with this on. I have this belt. Look at this belt, you guys. It is pink and I feel like it would really match this look really well. Okay guys, so I know I have a lot of fur up here, but I also want to have some fur on my feet. So I have these leg warmers. They're white. This will literally make me look like a living LABUBU. Like, these are so fluffy, and I think this will really add a lot to the look. Guys, look at this. I threw on some shoes, and here's how the leg warmers look. I literally love using leg warmers. Like, look at how this looks. It's so cute. I just put my hair into pigtails because the next accessory is these two bows. The LABUBU doll this look is inspired by has a lot of blue and pink. It'll make it match the doll really well. Stop, this is so cute. Like, look at the bows on each side, guys. Next thing I have for this look is these earrings. They're really cute, and I think they would make this look even more cuter. I have the earrings in, and this is what they're looking like, and I think with this look is done. So let's see the full outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was so much fun and the outfit turned out so cute. I really do like making fashion videos like this and showcasing my outfits and the stuff that I can make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what other things I should do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!